So check out these pepper plants. You see how bushy they are? Let's see. What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today, I'm gonna show you how to prune your peppers. So there are two different ways we prune our pepper plants. The first way is when they're young like this, we take the top off the main branch. And what this does is make two branches instead of one, which means more branches. More branches equals more peppers. And this also make our pepper plant look like a bush like this. See this? Check that out. And you see right here, this is where we pruned our pepper plant, which made it bush out and it made these side branches catch up. And you end up with this. The second way we prune our pepper plants is by just basically cleaning them up. So check this out. You see something like this at the bottom of your pepper plants? This is unnecessary. This is just wasting our pepper plant energy. So check this out, fam. This is another perfect example of what happened when you prune your peppers when they're young, like we showed you. You see this right here? See these two branches coming up? It would have been just one. And check it out. Remember those side branches I was telling you guys about? Check it out. You see this? So this is gonna look like a bush instead of just having one main stem. Now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to clean up your pepper plants. So this is the second way we prune our pepper plant. And like I said, this is basically just taking off any unnecessary branching, like this one down here. This is too low to the ground. The peppers are gonna be touching the ground, which could increase chances of our pepper plant catching a disease. We don't even want our pepper plant wasting any energy on that branch. So you see all this down here? We're gonna just take this off. We don't even need our pruners to take this off. And this will help our pepper plant focus its energy on producing bigger and healthier peppers up here instead of down here, where it won't get that much sunlight and the peppers will be potentially touching the ground down there. So we're gonna take all of this off. And this is a cayenne pepper plant in a 3-gallon container. Check it out. So now we're gonna do the same thing with our poblano pepper. Take all of this off so our pepper plant can focus on producing beautiful and healthy poblano peppers. Check it out. See that? So check out these pepper plants. You see how bushy they are? It's because we pruned them when they were young, just like I showed you guys. When you do that, this is the end result. You get a super bushy pepper plant. Super bushy. With a lot of branches. And just like I said, a lot of branches equals a lot of peppers. So remember what I said about your peppers touching the ground? Check this out. You see this? All of these peppers are on the ground. That's exactly why today we're pruning all of our pepper plants. These are sugar rush peppers. Let's see. We got a lot of branches to take off. Let's see. Let's take this off. Well, some of you guys are probably watching this like, no, don't take it off. We got to get these peppers off the ground, guys. Check that out. Sugar rush peppers. You see that? This whole branch was on the ground. Sugar rush peppers. We've never had these before, so I can't wait to find out how these taste. Let us know in the comment section if you're also growing sugar rush peppers. See this branch right here? This is really low to the ground as well. We're gonna take this off. Look at that. Beautiful. Sugar rush peppers. So check it out, fam. Look at our sugar rush pepper plant now. We cleaned it up. Got all of those peppers off the ground. All of those branches off the ground. We pruned all of those unnecessary branches. Check it out. It's that simple. Now we're gonna harvest these jalapeno peppers. And after we finish that, we gotta find out how spicy these sugar rush peppers are, because we never had them before, so I don't know on a scale of 1 to 10 how hot they are, so it's only right to find out. Beautiful. So today we're gonna find out how hot sugar rush peppers are. Check it out. It says, short, rounded ivory pod that blends sugary sweet flesh with medium spicy heat. A versatile little pepper, the fruity heat adds dimension to dishes or makes a fun little snack eaten out of hand. Let's find out. Check it out, fam. Sugar rush peppers. Let's see. I like it. They're not too spicy. They're just right. I can't wait to dehydrate these and make our own spices with these. Yeah. We will definitely be growing sugar rush peppers from now on in our garden. Now, I'm gonna show you how to make your own spices. Make sure you put on gloves, because if you don't, you're never gonna forget it, trust me. You might make a mistake, rub your eyes, or rub somewhere else, and you'll never forget it, trust me. Safety first. Quick tip, make sure you bring your dehydrator outside so the whole house don't start coughing and choking. That's why getting a dehydrator is a great investment, because you can bring it outside. Now all we have to do is wait for our peppers to dry. So this is how you want your peppers to look before you grind them up and turn them into powder. Make sure your peppers are super dry, like this, before you grind them up. See that? That's how you want them to be. And it's that easy to make your own spices. And I'll leave the link in the description below for these storage containers. Check it out. It's the same spice containers you buy from the store, and they're only $24 for 16 containers.